All right, guys, so we are here.
So I just landed in New York City and I'm so excited to get, whoa, hey, I'm walking here.
Listen to me, we don't talk like that, we don't say things like that, you understand? Do you understand?
Okay, sorry. Forget about it. So basically,
At an existing client's pond. Obviously, we didn't build this, but what we're going to do is they have gotten some aquatic plant starts from us. And what we're going to do today is I'm going to show you guys how to take an existing pond and create what's called a plant pocket. Because as we all know, this stuff, these roots right here love to take over an entire pond. So what we're going to do is we're just going to grab right here in this area, we're going to take this rock and grab this guy, move him out.
In nomine Patris et Filii et Spiritus Sancti.
Just like this, and that spot that he was sitting in is actually going to become our plant pocket. What we're going to do is we're going to take some underlayment, take our underlayment, put it down in there, fold it all on out. Then we're going to take our plant, we'll put it in the underlayment. That way, the plant is actually going to stay inside the underlayment, inside that pocket that we're creating with these stones, so it won't take over the entire area. So it's going to keep kept right there inside that pocket. We're going to just take our stones, put everything back, nice and neat, and then if we need to, a nice river rock, just take a couple handfuls just to weigh down that inside our underlayment, enough to weigh down our plant. And that's it. So simple, guys. That is how you easily and effectively put in new aquatic plant starts.